Happiness is what you should be chasing, not money. Everyone seems to believe in the myth, the more money you have, the happier you get. That is total BS. And in fact, the truth is, the more money you have, the harder it is for you to be happy. Sure, money makes the world go around. However, no small or big amount of it is guaranteed to make you feel fulfilled and accomplished. Such sentiment can only be attained once one is actively working on his or her purpose. Nevertheless, most men and women blindly run towards it because they equate money with happiness, as they are blinded by the fake lifestyle influencers and celebrities portray in vlogs, movies, and TV shows. What most fail to realize is that those cars, houses, jewelry, and gadgets aren't owned by those so-called celebrities. They actually are being rented or leased to them by network and television companies in order to further promote their brands. While being stuck in the mindset of constantly chasing a mirage, most of us fail to realize that we are slowly hurting ourselves, progressively developing insomnia, becoming more and more depressed, feeling lost, and becoming angry and envious. Always remember, the goal is and will always be chasing happiness, not money. Society wrongly teaches us that our value is based upon how others view us and the amount of possessions we have. That's why whenever we see other people flaunting things we don't have, we not only feel bad for ourselves, we also become tempted to do whatever it takes to be cool and relevant. Thus, the expression trying to keep up with the Joneses. The value of a human being, or any other being for that matter, should be based on their character, values, belief system, mindset, and contribution to the world. What most people forget is that influencers and celebrities are humans just like them, meaning we all have the same 24 hours. We all go through rough times. Some days are better than others. We all have skills and talents that can enable us to be greater than who we currently are. Therefore, there's no ceiling to how much money we can make, nor limit to how successful we can be. Sure, you can buy anything you want as long as you have the money for it. However, are you getting those things for yourself or to show the world that you are successful? See, you'll be okay for a moment once you finally acquire what you long desired. However, after a while, an underlying emptiness slowly creeps in. You'll feel the need to get something bigger, better, and more valuable. As the happiness you are chasing wasn't unconditional. A couple of ways to surmount that lack are being grateful for everything you already have. Learn to appreciate and cherish the things and people in your life before they are gone. Make memories, build relationships, learn from each other, grow and build for and with each other. Don't try to keep up with the Joneses. Why bother buying every latest gadget, car, shirt, jacket when you know that it will only be in style for a few weeks before being considered out of style? Invest in yourself and in the things you believe in. The biggest and best returns you ever get are the ones coming from investments you made in yourself and in the things you believe in. Strive to better yourself for yourself. Every day you should work on improving every aspect of your life for well-being. not to become cool, or not to finally being accepted. Don't live above your means. Above your means. A minimalistic lifestyle will make you happier than a life full of items that are soon to consume you. A lot of people think they need money. However, what they truly desire is what money can afford them. Because if it was the end of it all, why are there so many unhappy millionaires and billionaires? The end.